Okay, so once you've created your pattern and loaded the textures, you can render these directly to Photoshop. Adjust the tiling, adjust the resolution, select Photoshop and render. And if you set up the whole thing correctly, they appear directly within Photoshop for further editing, adjustment and so on. So quite handy, and from here you can continue to work with those layers, add them, add them as masks, for example, to adjust the mortar, for example. So opposite basically, and there we go. So that's how you can adjust directly within Photoshop and